Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and today's recipe is a delicious, quick and easy one. It is fries with chicken and pepper sauce. You are going to love this, guys. Make sure you watch from the start till the end, and thanks to you all for always watching my videos. You guys are awesome. All right, let's go. So as you can see, I've already washed my chicken, so now I'm going to put it in the pot and then of course add my spices to it, like my thyme, onions and Maggi cube. Okay, so I'm just going to add some water thereafter and then stir properly. Okay, I also added salt to it and now I'm going to stir, cover and then let it start cooking. I'm going to be using the air fryer for the chicken later on. Okay, I just don't want it to be too dry. I'll just let it in the air fryer for some minutes. So as you can see, my chicken is already in the air fryer and my oil also is in the pan, in the pot. So I added my onions, and after the onions I'm going to of course add my pepper mix, which is fresh pepper, also known as scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, red bell pepper and onions. Okay, so I used the blender. I didn't make it too smooth. You all know I love my pepper not too smooth when I'm doing any sauce. Yes, that's how I love it. So after adding the pepper mix, I added my Maggi cube and of course I'm going to stir carefully, stir properly, and after that I'm going to add my chicken. You can all see the way the chicken is looking, like it's not that dried. I don't want it to be too dry. That looks so good already. Okay, so I decided to make the chicken like middle. Okay, yes, so as you can see, I have to stir carefully and let the pepper go in the chicken, and I'm going to cover, and after letting it fry for some minutes, that's it guys, my chicken with pepper sauce is ready. Guys, we all know that chicken is also very healthy. It is good for the body. I recommend it. Red bell pepper as well, tomatoes and onions. So that's it guys, my food is ready. It's time to eat. I ate it with fries like I said before. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Thank you so much, and I'll say bye for now and see you in my next video. All right, bye.